Hey folks, I'm going to teach you how, and more importantly why, to duplicate a part. So I'm going to take a part right here and put it on the ground. We're going to build a dog and never copy and paste a part. So let's Command 3 this thing. We'll make it about this size and hit F to zoom out. Now I'm going to go up here and click on collisions. So that means when you duplicate a part, Command D for duplicate, it won't let them collide, meaning it'll force them above. You see how I just made that leg? If I were to make a new part, it's not lined up with anything. So I'm going to Command Z that. So I'm going to dupe this one again. Oops, I don't want it up there. This is an upside down dog. Let's change the leg color to something like that. Quiet cat. It's not time. All right, so we'll take off collisions, Command D. It doesn't look like I duped it, but if you look over here, I did dupe it. So it's just duped in the same place. So I'm going to slide it over to here, and since my my move increment is one stud, I pretty much know I nailed it on the edge there. So now let's select them both. So you do Command click, Command D it again, duped it in place, move it over here. Now let's take all these parts. Command G groups them into a model. Command 4 lets me rotate them. And so I'm just going to rotate it 180 degrees. And there's your dog with no head. So let's dupe this again. Command D. Oops, we want to dupe it above. So Command D dupes it. Yikes. So I'm going to just Option click to get one part. Command D, dupe that. Command 3. And then go over here. This is going to be the dog's head. Hold down Command when you resize. It'll resize it on both axes. So this is kind of looking like a dog, not really. I'm going to Command D this one. How long is this video? You know, I think I'm going to leave it at that. Let's give this dog a different color. We'll do a different video on how to build a dog. But you see, I didn't copy and paste. I didn't create anything. I didn't create any new parts. I created one part and kept duplicating it. And I did that so that everything stays aligned with the other parts. Please hit subscribe because I need to get 1,000 subscribers to monetize.